What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Bitcoin Cash. Shout out to the Dragon Riders and the House of the Dragon. Bitcoin Cash had a little bit more of a convincing day yesterday. Still very small, 1.68% to the downside. Nothing too much to get excited about, but as we do continue to move down away from this range of uncertainty, I think that things do look more bearish for sure. And we can see here we had this low daily close. I put a line right there. If we take the 4-hour look and we see what we recently did with that, we actually found resistance time and time again on it, and we've rolled over. Here we are finding support on the purple line. If I remember correctly, we don't really show too much respect on the purple line. I guess we do. Maybe there's a time where we didn't. I don't know. We're bipolar with it. But we are here below the 50 now. We are above the purple line with this move down. I would think that things are looking more bearish and that we are going to get more of a move down. We are showing weakness in the RSI on the 4-hour, right? You are getting up to the 50 and rejecting it. You have this lower descending trend line here. Maybe we come up, something like that, have like a little move up or whatever, like a very small move up, and we just continue this. That was a horribly drawn line. It's hard to draw straight. Something like that. Maybe not with the curve at the end. It just keeps going, but I can't draw straight lines. I do think that we'll get something like this, and then it rolls over again, promoting another move that will take us lower. Maybe we will have a quick pop down. I didn't mean to move it. I meant to draw it. Maybe we'll have a quick pop down. Maybe we will continue to slowly crawl down. I don't know how it's going to look. All I think right now is that the charts do look a little bit more bearish day by day, which is nice to see if you're like me and you want to buy Bitcoin Cash at cheaper prices. What we have here is a range that is in a downtrend, right? We have lower highs and lower lows coming in for the last, basically since the middle of August, about a month now, a little over a month now. We have had higher lows, sure. Could we be going down right now to form yet another higher low? That is possible, and that is something that I don't want to see, but it is possible. You know, if we take this line here and draw it like that, that's actually drawn pretty well. Something like this could happen. It very well could happen, and that's why I'm not too excited about this move down. Yes, to me it does, signal that we are going to move lower at least for now, but there is a possibility, there really is a possibility that we could find a higher low here. So let's break through this line. Let's get rid of that, because if and when we break through this line, I do think that we'll break through this low. I don't think that this low, this like horizontal level, is going to hold at all. I do think that we'll probably go below that. And then at that point, the next thing that has me worried is indeed another horizontal area, which is this line here, this low here. We could form a double bottom. And a double bottom, generally, you go somewhere near it. It doesn't have to be exact. It could be exact, but maybe we bounce a little bit higher. Maybe we bounce a little bit lower, something like that. Who knows? But that would be a little bit better than finding support on this ascending trend line here. But ultimately, that wouldn't be too good for me, because I would like to buy this thing at 145. But to hell with what I would want to do. Bitcoin Cash is going to do what it wants to do regardless, or what the market participants want to do more so. Or maybe it does what the opposite of everybody wants to do. I think that's how it works. It just does the opposite. It does whatever causes the most pain. Right now, on this day so far, we actually have found a little bit of support on this 382 area where we found resistance before. We kind of disrespected this, so I don't expect it to hold as support. I really do think that we're going to go lower. It's not too much of a significant line. The 4-hour RSI itself does look weak. The daily RSI is starting to roll over. We do have this higher high here with the lower highs. I think that is confirmed hidden bearish divergence, and as we're getting this low here and lower lows here, we've got this low here and lower lows here. It's just bearish, hidden bearish divergence paired with bearish convergence. I think that we are going to go lower. If we can break out of this ascending trend line as well in the RSI, that'd be nice to see. I really would think that would make us go down, or allow us to go down. Maybe not make us, but it would allow us to go down to the oversold zone, where we can see some stronger moves take place to the downside. Other than that, guys, not a whole lot of new things have happened. Areas to watch for, yesterday I was saying that if we can close below this day, then that would be nice, and we did. So I guess at this point in time, what I would like to see, truthfully, is to close below this day. Don't move below it, close below it. Get a day that closes below, on this day here, if we were to go down, that'd be at 190. But it's probably going to be days until then. I doubt that we're just going to drop straight down. You know, from here right now at the current price, by the time you watch the video, it'll be different. But from the price of $205.90, that would be about a 7.5% drop. If we find support there, that wouldn't look encouraging. But also, just because we don't break through it immediately is not encouraging. We could linger on this area and then move down, right? You can have like an overall, like a move down, a little mini phase of upwards consolidation, and then another move down, something like that. You know, it doesn't have to be a straight line through. I would prefer that, but I'm not necessarily expecting that. What I really want to say, or what I really want to see, just to like kind of keep my thoughts composed, is I would like to see this line get broken. Okay, and how a break looks, again, it's not wicks, it is a closing period below this line. That's what I would like to see, and I do think we're on our way to do that. Prove me wrong. Really, the best way to do that would be to get a day to close above this this day here, above this daily close at about $210. If you can close above 210, then the idea of going lower kind of goes out the window, and then I won't know what to do with myself, and I will just stop making videos. No, that's not going to happen. I really won't know what to do with myself, but I will make a video talking about it. So, for now, I do think that we go lower. I don't think that's going to happen, but prove me wrong. 210 is the area to prove me wrong. You know, get a day to close. Don't wick above it. Close above it. And I think that was more kind of validated with the past couple days of price action, finding resistance here, showing that this area is significant. Not only did you close at it on a daily basis, you found resistance on it here, and you also found resistance on it here. A little bit of resistance here, a little bit of resistance here. I wonder if we go back, nothing really over there. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Lower lows are in the cards. Things are looking a little bit more bearish by the day, but nothing to get too excited over yet. So take care, everybody. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more. You don't even have to subscribe to see more. I'm going to post them regardless, but new subscribers are welcome. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.